This is a short video tutorial about the web resources course, just to get you familiar with the Ebridge virtual learning environment. Similar to Blackboard, once you've logged in, you'll have your menu buttons down the left hand side. There'll only be about 3 menu buttons that you'll actually be using for this. I try to keep them to a minimum. You have your main area, here is called worksite information. Here I'll store images, or maybe they've probably put the video for exploring the site. On the right hand side here we have recent announcements, so if I click on the first announcement, it comes up there and you can read it from there. Okay, it's going to be quite straightforward format, and the first thing, once you've read the announcements, you need to select the option for pathway on the left hand side, and the options for the various workshops will come up automatically. So for workshop 1 there'll be a short introduction, and then the various content or web resources within that workshop. So you can either select one from here, from the links, or click next and the first one will load. So for each web resource, I've tried to do a short text-based introduction. I've included a video link for helping you to explore the web resource, and obviously I've included a link how to access the resource. And then at the bottom, the last thing I will put is a task, usually written out in blue, so it can help you identify it. Simple tasks like explore the resource, and then it asks you to give your thoughts or do a little activity to do with the web resource. Once you've worked through the various content items, what you can then do is access the forums, again the menu on the left hand side, and this is where you can upload your own thoughts and activities. The first forum is an introduction forum, so I've uploaded a little introduction about myself and a photograph. Obviously, if you want to do that, by all means do that here. The second one is, I've called it coffee time. It's basically a Q&A area, so if you have a web resource that you'd like to share with the group, or you want to ask a question about any of the resources on the site, or anything else really, I can't promise I've got the answers, all of the answers, but I'll give it a good try. So this is the area where you can put those in here. And then last forum will be the workshop forum. So the first one is obviously workshop 1. Just click on the forum thread, and within here you can either post a new thread, which allows you to set the title, etc., or reply to the message that's already in the thread. Okay, so it's very simple to fill in. So reply to a thread. You'll get a text box here very similar to Word. You can type in whatever you want there. You've got the option to add an attachment if you so choose to. Works very similar to email, so you browse for a local file to attach. Okay, so that's it really. The most important things, just to recap, is announcements. See, I communicate at least once a week with a new announcement when I add workshops. Pathway is where the web resources and the content and activities are stored. And then once you've worked through the pathway, forums to share your thoughts, ideas, etc. Okay, thank you.